Hello everybody and welcome to my very first FIFA 17 pack opening. We've got 10 premium jumbo packs to open and we're going to jump in and we're going to open them straight away. What we're using to buy these packs today is FIFA points. So this is my first pack opening I've done on FIFA 17. I'm not going to pack anything, but here we go. Let's see what we get. First pack. Come on lads. Come on. That was shit. Leave some comments down below. Let us know how everyone's getting on. If you had a walkout, because I certainly haven't. I haven't really opened many packs so far, apart from the free packs that I get every week. That's Ander Herrera. It's pretty dog shit, but you know, these are all players that I'll have, and they're all good for the squad building challenges. Third pack of the day. What we're gonna get in this next pack? Maximilian Meyer, and I'm not impressed. Got 7 more of these premium gold packs, so the jumbo ones, so got to get something surely. That. Oh, and it's shit again. Fucking Gustavo. Come on. Nah. Small flare, so as far as I know that's crap anyway. So this is my one and only big pack open, I think, unless I get someone big. That is... Oh, Daniel Sturridge! There we go, eh? It's not so bad, is it? Must be alright. Let's have a look. Probably goes for nothing. Is he? Oh! 50k, 77. Hey, there we go. Finally got someone decent. Goal pack shit. Who's this? And it's Janko. So we'll do a nose pack, and then we'll see what we get with this. Alright, nose pack. Someone with a big nose. Ibra. Oh, an English left back. Kieran Gibbs. He's not what you want, man. He's not fucking big-nosed for a start. Come on. Nope, and it's another non-red. Get in. Next pack. Come on. Come on. And it's also rare at it. Shit. Oh, Balotelli. Get in. Come on. Di Maria. Who the fuck's past us? And what flag was that? If someone could tell me what flag that is in the comments, then you're better at geography than I am. Thiago. It's just not good enough. Oh, it's a rare, and it's Johan Kabay. Everybody knows his name. Who the hell wants a South African fucking goalkeeper, man? Can fuck off. Come on. Oh, that's a big one. What's this? Oh, it's a walkout. Who's it? German? Cam? It's Ozil. Get in. I've just been slated. I've just been saying how I'm so pissed off, and I've finally got a walkout, and it's a decent one. Ozil, 89 rated Cam. Get in my club, you fucking beautiful German, you. Haha. Yes, that's cheered this miserable Jordi bastard up. What does he go for? Oh, I'm having that. 83,000 coins. Get in. About time. 38 pace. Oh, and it's Matic. Hey, it's not a bad pull. I'll have that. But that's the end of this pack opening. My name is Bobs1984. I really do hope you enjoyed watching me go through all of these packs, waste my time. No, I enjoyed it, and I have got Ozil, which is my first walkout on FIFA 17. Let me know in the comments down below who your walkouts are, what your best pack is, and I'm intrigued to see how much money you guys spend on FIFA points. Also, let us know in the comments down below. My name is Bobs1984. Keep a lookout for my Dortmund career mode, which will be starting very soon. And I'll thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video very, very soon.